Hello guys, and now we're going to a fireworks, watching fireworks in the park. Here's RJ.
Hi.
Where you go, RJ?
Fireworks.
Fireworks. There's Daddy. There he is. Yay!
I have a hat so no one can see me.
We're looking for fireworks shoe. Where he is now, RJ? You know RJ where he is?
That's a school.
Maybe they're around here.
At my school.
Yeah.
Preschool.
Preschool. RJ graduate preschool. Next kindergarten.
But not yet. Kindergarten.
Not yet. Summer vacation.
My hat's
RJ.
on fire.
Okay, see you there. Say bye-bye, RJ. Bye-bye. Where is it, RJ? Where is the fort?
Look at the line. They're all getting cheeseburgers for down there. Wrapped around the building.
8:29, but still have sun.
We'll have sun for another hour. It doesn't start until about 9:45.
Yeah. We wait for the dark.
Where's the park?
Where is the park, RJ?
We're gonna go look at the other one first. Oh, there it is. Past it, damn it.
Where?
But I would think there'd be more traffic now. I have one car behind me. Canceled it.
So you have no fireworks here.
Isn't that something?
Before we have fireworks here. See? You not do it. Maybe cost money.
There's people parked there. Let's go watch.
Only few people there. 8 o'clock now.
I've been here and I've had it every year.
Yeah.
Last 6 years.
But now it's nothing now, RJK. We find other fireworks
Clayton
show.
High School or Clearfield.
We go to Clearfield, honey. See, have nothing here too.
Can't read the sign. The sun.
Have nothing here, see.
We passed it. Oh, there it is.
Have no fireworks here too in the park, RJ. See, have no here. Because it's small here, RJ.
It's big.
Okay, we look around. Where is the fireworks show?
You could just drive up to the mountain. Just watch from the top.
Go fireworks, have nothing here.
How about this junior high? Anything?
No, it's not there.
That sun is bright.
Hey RJ, you have nothing here, RJ. RJ! Where you go, RJ, now? In Fairfield? RJ? Okay, we go there, RJ. Why you not talk, RJ?
Because I don't want to.
You not want to. Okay. There is McDonald's there. You go there, RJ. Buy a burger. McDonald's. There is. No.
Yeah, I'd like to get one large fry.
Large fry, anything else?
And also 1 quarter pounder with cheese.
Quarter pound with cheese, that it?
And that's it.
Large fry and a quarter pound with cheese. That's 15 cents per pound, sir. Have one for night.
Thanks.
There he is. Look at these people here in high school. Look at waiting for fireworks. See
I
that?
think there'd be parking along here. No parking.
Why there's so
So many many waiting for fireworks. At this year. So per hour the fireworks, but a lot of people here.
Looks like there's many people here.
See
Much
that?
better because they're under the trees. They're gonna miss.
See that, RJ?
What is the There's a million.
Look at that people here, RJ.
There's a million.
So many people here.
There is a million.
Because there's no Davis.
Yep, up all here.
Because they used to have it even when Davis.
They don't walk. That means
Right. There's a big stop, a hand, an orange hand. Look for parking spots, okay? See if we can see any. Yeah, there's people in there parking in there too.
Sloan Park.
It's miles. Take you half an hour walking.
At that RJ. Waiting for fireworks.
And what's worse about it, it's nighttime. You know, I can't see. In another 5 minutes, I'm not going to be able to see.
another 8 minutes. Not able to see. Another 8 minutes.
Here, the church.
Is it a bus stop? Yep.
What?
Well, here is. There is the fireworks. Here.
So what do you think we should do? I don't
Clear film.
know if we can find a spot. Red curb you can't park on.
You want to park in that car?
Can't park there. There's, you know,
But there's cars parked in there.
well, they're illegal.
RJ, you sleepy? I cannot see you, RJ. It's so dark. See you, RJ. It's so dark. I cannot see you. Yay. See you. Oh, there is RJ. Here he is. We go home now. Happy 4th of July. Did you see RJ? Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July!
Yay!
That turns into
no, you dirt. No, dirt. Dirt. There's RJ.
You see me.
Yep, we see you.
There.
There he is. There's RJ.
I also have a pocket.
Where?
Here.
Yeah.
Disappear.
No.
Now I disappear.
Say RJ, bye-bye.
And I disappear.
See you next video. Bye-bye.